Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and show y'all what I'm doing tonight. I haven't too long, just got through curling my hair, and I'm just lightly combed it. So when I comb it out in the morning, all I have to do is do this right here. So I'm just gonna comb it out just a little bit, for you can kind of see I have very short hair. And this is what it should look like in the morning when I get through. But just combed it out back out for y'all to see. So what you would need to do for this hair tutorial, you would need you would need a little rat tooth comb. You would need your big comb. You would need a curler of your choice. I used let me think, a very small, very thin inch curler, probably about no bigger than my pinky, to do this. And you're going to need hairspray. So what I'll do is I will curl my hair. This is my second time doing this. And once I get through doing that, I right here in the middle, just swoop it just to see how I want it to be positioned in the morning. And we'll do it like that. So once I got that done, I already did this, but I'm just spray a little bit in the front of it, and I'm using the soft and beautiful Ultimate Control Sheen Spray. Spray built pores. It's a natural built, an untouchable, healthy softness. And it has triple hydrating oil, as in olive oil, argan oil, and coconut oil. And this is a 11.25 ounces. So make sure you shake it up real good. And I make sure it don't leak. Mine's kind of leaking a little bit. But yeah, but the excess that come off on my hand, I just do that. Let you see the back. This is how it's looking. And the next thing you do, you're just gonna take this, and it's like you're kind of combing it out down, but you're not, and you're doing it like this, like it's flat. And you're gonna take this, and you're just gonna kind of brush flat, meaning where you curled it, it's like kind of flattened. But yeah, that's all you would need to do. And the only other thing I would do is put my bonnet on. There we go. That's all you need to do. That's it. That's all you need to do, and everything. You want to take a bath tonight? Take the tip. Tuck it under. Easy breezy. That's all it takes. But when you get up in the morning, make sure you have a comb like this, because it is easier for you to pick it out. You don't have to do too much. And let me see. And when I get up in the morning, for my edges, because I have several edge control, I'm going to be using the olive oil edge control. This is what I'll be using in the morning. And I used this today, but yeah, this is all. That is all it takes to do this, to get this Sunday hair ready for tomorrow. Until then, I'll see you in the morning. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.